Hi friends, I'm Radhika Gupta, CEO Edelweiss Asset Management, and as usual it's a delight to talk to our investor and advisor community through this video. I want to ask you all a question today, and that is, when was the last time when you did something for the first time? Think of this from your own investment point of view. New investment ideas are rare to find today, as most themes and strategies have become common across all diversified funds. Amidst this commoditized world, over the last 2 years, the IPO market has presented many maiden opportunities for investors. New sectors have got listed, offering a unique way to participate in India's growth stories. The IPO market has turned out to be exciting for investors, with over 1 lakh crore raised in just the last 2 years. This is on the back of structural tailwinds such as stable and pro-government policies, pent-up capital demand, strong GDP growth, and robust capital supply, among others. IPOs have also become a favored route for PE and VC investors to exit, given the buoyance of public markets and the liquidity in the system. With a large number of these guys waiting to exit, the IPO cult is expected to remain buoyant. Further, FII participation in the primary market has outscored the secondary market today. Since calendar year 2015, FIIs have bought 2.8 billion in the secondary market and deployed more than 11 billion via the primary market. They are more active in the primary market than the secondary market since 2015. The bottom line is, this is expected to continue. How does an investor take advantage of these IPO opportunities? A couple of challenges exist. If we were to sum this up today, 3 factors: access, selection, and post-listing opportunities remain key to making money in the IPOs. Post-listing opportunities are the first issues. Most investors exit immediately after listing while missing out on the gains that come holding after listing. For example, if investors would have stayed put in top quartile IPOs for 12 months, they would have yielded 82% returns instead of 49% just holding on listing. A structured approach is needed to time the exit. Secondly, the right selection is important. Selection is important because not all IPOs are investment worthy. The return range of IPOs listed in the last 6 months is all the way from negative 35% to positive 360%. Out of all these 19 IPOs, 8 have given negative returns and 11 have given positive returns. Thirdly, access is an important point. Exposure to recent IPOs through diversified equity funds is limited. Therefore, a dedicated fund investing in recent IPOs provides investors better access and therefore better gains. For instance, Apex Frozen Foods, which gave 350% returns since listing, was subscribed only by 4 funds. A hit IPO that everyone knows about, like DMart, was subscribed by only 59 out of 800 equity funds, with an average holding of less than 1%. It is with this in mind, and also the fact that a lot of emerging sectors that are hitting the market for the first time, that we at Edelweiss felt there's an opportunity to have a fund that is dedicated for discovering some of these maiden opportunities in sunrise stocks and sectors, and that is what the Edelweiss Maiden Opportunities Fund Series 1 is about. If you make the opportunity, you will be the first in a position to take advantage of it, they say. The same way, Edelweiss Maiden Opportunities Fund helps you take better advantage of recently listed IPOs or India's prospective opportunities. Edelweiss Maiden Opportunities Fund will help you gain access, provide better selection, and capture post-listing day gains in IPOs. A process-driven approach here helps in the selection of quality companies as well as systematic exit management while maximizing total returns. The IPO selection will be based on selecting companies with fundamentally strong building blocks. High discipline is kept to maintain a high margin of safety in pricing. in order to ensure that value creation in companies translates into investor returns. Also, we have put in place a put option on the portfolio to protect us against any market downside. Friends, on a concluding note, as they say, investing in tomorrow's leader today is more critical than anything else in investing. We encourage you to look at Edelweiss Maiden Opportunities Fund, which is looking to participate in the new and emerging stories of India and benefit from India's long-term growth. Thank you very much for listening.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.